channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post about baking and some healthy recipes because I am a PCOD person and I'm trying to lose weight as soon as possible, because by the end of this year I don't want to carry this luggage with me, the extra fat that I mean. So, and I also post some random shits like this today. So yesterday I was home alone, literally home alone, and I was getting so freaking bored. Like, I am like a person who has golden retriever energy. I need someone constantly 24/7. I like to talk, man. So eventually what actually happened was I was alone at home and I was getting bored. So I decided, let's go on shopping and do some shopping spree. Well, if you are going on shopping without even having a plan of shopping and have no idea about what you're gonna shop, you're gonna shop some random shit. So my favorite place to go when I get bored is DIY. So well, I got some random stuff from DIY. Look at it. The first one is these straw. So basically मेरे पास glass straws बहुत सारे हैं, but I decided to get one. Why? Because obviously I wanted this straw cleaner. मैं ऑनलाइन जेप्टो पे चेक कर रही थी and it was like maybe 120 rupees and I was getting the same shit with straws. So I decided to get this one. And of course these are golden, so it's gonna look cute in my videos. So I'm really happy with this buy. Second one, well, this DIY sponge wipes. अब आप बोलोगे why do I need this? Well, I don't. मैं सिर्फ इसको इसलिए रैंडमली उठा लाई हूँ बिकॉज आई लव क्लीनिंग किचन. मैं रात में सोने से पहले आई जस्ट वॉश ऑल द यूटेंसिल्स, क्लीन दैट स्लैब. दिस इज़ माई हैबिट. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट एन OCD पर्सन. नो, आई डोंट लाइक टू मच ऑफ क्लीनलीनेस, बट इफ इट कम्स टू किचन, तुम्हारा भाई सब कुछ क्लीन कर देगा. सो द ओनली थिंग जो मुझे एक्चुअली चाहिए थी, दैट वॉज द स्कूपर. Well, this is actually not a DIY haul. It is more like I went to Market 99 and DIY together and bought few things. So this one is from Market 99. This is a good sturdy scooper. It's really nice. I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's for 220 rupees. I have this one at home and it's worth all your money. I'm still telling you, I'm insisting you to buy it. If you have it, go grab it as soon as possible. अच्छा, मैं तब से उल्टा पकड़ी हुई थी. Go grab it as soon as possible. So out of all the haul, which was actually kitchen inclined, I got something very random, and this is a shower cap that I got. So it's not for me, it's for my mom. My mom likes dyeing her hair obviously because it's getting grey, and she needs this shower cap ताकि उनके जो dyed hair है वो हर जगह ना फैले. So I got this one for her. I got these two. Well, same चीज़ है, and भैया was very generous because इसमें कोई box नहीं था. And then he said, ma'am, you won't get any box, so you have to carry it like that. But then I was like, okay. And then he was like, बिचारी. And then he took out some bubble wraps किसी से जुगाड़ करके, and he just wrapped it up for me. So thank you भैया, big shout out to you. अब ना मैंने ये क्यों ख़रीदा था, because it was hardly 40 rupees. एंड आई लव ईटिंग आइसक्रीम, एंड आई थॉट इसमें मैं तिरामिसू और वो सब जो रहता है मैं सुंदर सुंदर सा बना सकती हूँ. सो आई गॉट दिस वन फॉर दैट पर्पस एंड इट्स प्रिटी क्यूट. वेल, इसको ये 40 रुपीज़ का था एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 36 रुपीज़ ओनली. सो discount. Just forgot to mention that I got this mat from DIY as well. It's really nice. It's just for 57 rupees and is really looking aesthetic in my food videos. Okay, that's all for this video. I know सिर्फ 4 चीज़ों के लिए हॉल बना दिया. Well, मेरे घर पे कोई भी नहीं है guys, so I'm getting bored and as you know, मेरी ना गोल्डन रिट्रीवर वाली एनर्जी है एंड मुझे बात करना पसंद है. सो यू गोना रिसीव टू मेनी वीडियोज़ because I love talking and I'm gonna talk to you guys because I'm getting seriously bored. Also मैं माइक खरीद लूँगी. I promise 1-1 रुपये बचाकर मैं माइक खरीद ही लूँगी because I know it's very hard to hear me and मुझे अपनी बात सब तक पहुँचानी है. पैसों के कड़के भले हो गाइस, लेकिन हमारे दिल में बहुत सारा क्या है, प्यार है. हमारे दिल में बहुत सारा प्यार है. And that's all. Please consider subscribing if you like these kind of videos, or maybe some serious videos that I post on shorts with related to health, what I eat in a day, or some fun baking videos. So thank you.